This challenge is called Python Wrangling. It's an easy level challenge in the general skills category from the picoCTF 2021 event. The description says, Python scripts are invoked kind of like programs in the terminal. Can you run this Python script using this password to get the flag? All right, so what we need to do first to solve this challenge is to create an environment for the challenge. So let's go over to our web shell. Let's create a directory, Python Wrangling, all one word, and then let's enter that directory using the cd command. Okay, so after we've done that, we are now ready to download the files associated with the challenge. So let's do wget and then get our first link to the file. So the first file we need to download is this file right here, this Python script. So right-click that, select copy link address, and in the web shell, we've got our wget and our space. So we just need to paste in the address. So right-click and paste, and then hit enter to download the file. Okay. Now we need to download our second file, wget one more time, and then space. Go over to the challenge page. This time, the link is in this password text. Right-click, copy link address, back to the web shell, right-click, paste. All right, and then hit enter, and then that file is downloaded. And then finally, we need to download one last file, wget, and then the flag. Okay, so this is the flag over here. This text, right-click, copy link address, then back to the web shell, right-click, paste, and hit enter. And then we've downloaded our 3 files. So if you take a look with our ls command, you should see that we have the end.py file, the flag.txt.en file, and the pw.txt file. All right. So in order to use the Python file that we downloaded to decode the flag, we need to use the Python command. So that's Python space ende.py. Okay, and it displays a message over here. So how do we use it? We use end.py, and then we use either -e. I assume this this stands for encrypt, and or -d, which stands for decrypt, and then we supply the name of the file. All right. So if we're doing it with these files here, we want to use the password. I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself. So let's try Python space end.py, and then we're going to try to decrypt -d the flag.txt.en file. All right. So we run that, and then it's going to ask us for a password, but we don't know the password. So we're just going to do test. And then it says, and then it errors out because we didn't supply the right password. All right. So we have this file over here, pw.txt. That probably stands for password. So we can just read that file. Okay. So this is the password over here that we need to supply when we're running the end.py script. So we're going to copy this. So just highlight this. So just to make sure, we can right-click and select copy as well. And then we're going to run the previous command. So Python space end.py space -d space flag.txt.en. We run that file. And then it says, please enter the password. So we previously copied the password over here. All we need to do is paste it. So we can either use the keyboard shortcut Control-Shift-V or Command-Shift-V if you're on Mac, or you can right-click and select Paste. Okay? So after that, you can hit Enter, and that's going to get you the flag. So we were able to decode the flag file using the password and the ende.py script. Okay? So to finish the challenge, we just need to highlight the flag, right-click, select Copy, and then go back to the challenge page, and in this flag submission field over here, paste in the flag, and then click on Submit Flag. And then we're done.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.